Step outside, it's like negative degrees. No, I ain't trying to freeze, I'm just trying to bring the heat, yeah. In a mood, but we gonna kick the blues. Trying to see a little color, so I'm eating Fruity Loops. Lost that funky feeling inside, no, it ain't worth your time. Baby, you got a good life. It's time to feel alive. Sun is shining, yeah, it's time to get up. The clouds are here, but they're about to let up.
Kagaya ng hugis ng relong ito, ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa atin ay magpahanggang wakas, walang hangganan. Mahal na mahal po kita, Mervy. See you later. Love, Krista.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City.
It is the Lord na siyang nagpili sa amin para pag-isahin at dumaan man kami sa maraming pagsubok, pero I know and I do believe na it is God na siyang pumili sa aming dalawa.
Hi, mahal. How are you? I know na you are happy right now. This is what we are waiting for. Every day, tinatanong mo ako kung okay lang, no? How's the feeling? No? Sinasabi mo na ilang araw na lang, and finally, this day came.
Slow dance on.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Sana patuloy nyo pa rin akong suportahan hanggang sa dulo.
Christian, pagpapakabait ka, anak. Laging mong uunawain ng asawa mo, basta mahal na mahal. Linyo ang isa't isa at mahal ka namin. Love you!
Dahil ng minyo ng karon, wala ko lang sabot sa imo, ipadala sa inyong kaminyoon nga. Ang gibati mong kami nga sa inyo, agong tahon ang ginamo to. Tungod kay may sarili nimong pagkabuhian o sa ibang bansa.
Hinaot pa unta nga magmalambuon ang inyong kaminyoon.
Aking ipinapahayag sa inyo, sina Mr. and Mrs. Serwit. Palakpak naman dyan. You may kiss the bride.
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know, no, baby, I'm in love. And I think about it every time I think about it, and I can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to heal this? Just to cure it, 'cause I can't.
Wala kayo nito.
And it makes me wanna
Uy, tinapay! Uy, Max!
turn a little faster, darling. Come on, the world will follow after.
I promise to submit and let you lead the family that we will build. Be patient and understanding, and most especially, be a woman of God.
'Cause I'm accidentally in
Thank you for accepting my invitation as my bridesmaid and maid of honor. And I have something for you. Hope you like it.
So I said I'm a snowball running down into the spring that's coming. All this love melting on the blue sky, melting on the sunlight, shimmering love.
Christian, tinatanggap mo ba si Mervy na maging tunay mong asawa sa buong pag-ibig at karangalan, sa buong tungkulin at paglilingkod, sa pananampalataya at paggiling, upang mabuhay na kasama niya at mahalin siya alinsunod sa utos ng Diyos sa banal na tali ng matrimonyo? Opo, Pastor.
Opo, Pastor.
Wanna hear you whisper, come on, settle down.
I-enjoy mo lang yung moment this day, no? And naway maging magandang memory to sa bawat isa sa atin. Magkasama tayo na maglingkod sa Panginoon habang buhay. I will love you and I will cherish you forever. I love you.
Come on, once upon a time in love.
Live in peace and the leading of the Holy Spirit. I will cherish you, my love, my God's answered prayer.
Oh, I'm accidentally, I'm accidentally, I'm accidentally, I'm accidentally.